गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा
Ahmadiyya Jamaat is an
है।
Islamic movement founded by Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam in the late 19th century in Qadiani, Pakistan. Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam claimed to be the promised Messiah and the promised Mahdi, both of whom are mentioned in Islamic texts. His aim was to renew Islamic teachings and provide a new spiritual guidance to Muslims. The Ahmadiyya Jamaat emphasizes the intensity of faith, truth, and love in its beliefs, and it believes that Islam is a complete and inclusive religion that is useful for all sections of the world. The Jamaat believed that the chain of prophets had not ceased but that a reforming leader was needed, and Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam was to come as that leader. Ahmadiyya Jamaat has established various institutions for preaching and serving humanity worldwide, including educational, medical, and welfare institutions. The Ahmadiyya community is considered infidel or apostate by some Muslim sects, while Ahmadis consider themselves full Muslims.
गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है। गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।